topics that we deal with mortgage financing, refinancing your home, coming up for renewal, debt consolidation, mortgage rule changes. So any questions you have, we're certainly here to assist you with your needs.
If you've got a lot of debt, can you just roll that into your mortgage? Is that a possibility?
And it is, definitely, for sure. It is a topic of conversation we have with our clients. I mean, having debt is stressful. Like I said, I've seen many clients over the years come in. It's a financial burden. It's a family burden. It's an emotional burden for a lot of people. I'm very passionate about this topic because I really, truly like to help people. And I think with educating people on their finances, helping them come up with a budget as well too, and then being able to consolidate their debt into their mortgage to kind of give them a fresh start, is definitely a win for the clients and for myself, because again, our driver is about helping people. But with consolidating the debt, we can put it into the mortgage so long as there is equity in the home. So that is a conversation we have with our clients. We make sure that get what's called an appraisal, which is an assessment on the home to make sure that we know what the value of the home is versus what their mortgage balance is and what debt they have. So we're able to roll in the debt into the mortgage as long as there is the equity that is allowed. But when we do this type of refinance, we also strategically help the clients in terms of, okay, if we're rolling in $50,000 worth of debt into your mortgage, what can we do now to help pay off that debt faster within your mortgage? Because now we're alleviating that cash burden every month where you're cash strapped by making those separate monthly payments on your debt. Now we're putting it into one mortgage. So let's look at ways of increasing your mortgage payment to pay off that debt faster for you. And that way there, it's a win for yourself and paying off your mortgage faster. So we always look at ways to help clients when consolidating debt, not pay it over a longer period of time, but ways of accelerating it by alleviating their cash, increasing their cash flow every month.
And that's a wrap. Questions they have or any other topics that you'd like us to address, by all means, let us know.
Tracy Valco, broker and owner of the Valco team, online at tracyvalco.ca, or call them at 519-745-8019.